Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Bonk. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the price line of Bonk has formed a cup and handle pattern on the 1 hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And I was telling you that while moving inside the handle of the cup, if it will be not drop more than 50% of the body of the cup, then it will be a valid cup and handle. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it has dropped more than 50% of the body of the cup. Here we had the 50%. And now you can see that the price and it's dropped approximately at 78.6%. However, if I extend this trend line, then you can see that it has formed this down channel on this 1 hour time frame chart. And now the price and it's once again rejected by the resistance of this down channel. However, this cup and handle is now invalidated and recently, Bonk has also tested this very long-term support of $0.00003 as well. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this point 00 and 004 times $0.03 has been previously working as a very strong support here for several days or weeks. Now again, it is working as a very nice support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel that is happening here on the daily time frame chart. And I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for TFuel, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bonk. And first of all, let me to show you the 1 hour time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line of Bonk has formed this down channel. And recently, it is rejected by the resistance of the channel once again. By the way, it was entered the channel here on 21st of January 2020 for we had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, and almost had another rejection here. Then we had another bounce here, rejection, and now if this time the price hits the support, then it can hit the support somewhere here, approximately at $0.0000286. But before that, we will need to break down this long-term support of $0.00003. That will be quite difficult. However, if the price breaks out the resistance of the channel, then technical target will be here at the top of the channel at $0.0003538. Now let me to show you another breakout that has happened on the daily time frame chart from another quite long-term down channel. Since after the month of November, since mid of November 2024, it was moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And after several more rejections, the price and broke out the channel, retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up, but again, got rejected by this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $0.00004 and goes to 4.4. It had been previously breaking as a support zone here for several weeks. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And if you take a look at the previous history, by the way, then you can see that even previously it had been working as a very strong resistance zone here in the month of December 2023, in the month of March 2024, and in the month of May 2024 as well. Therefore, it not continue this rally to the outside that was begun in fact here after the breakout from this triangle, the previous triangle we will need to break out this resistance zone. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel at 6.3. And now if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term symmetrical triangle as well. And for example, if you are trading this breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss below this uptrend line support because this uptrend line can now work as a long-term bull run structure for Bonk. And you can see that since after the month of January 2024, the price and is getting bounced again and again from this support. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, then technical target for the breakout is here. That is approximately at $0.0003 times $0.01. This also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Let's sign in for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.